Phone addiction problems. Mobile phone addictions are common. It's very common among undergrad students and can lead to severe mental health problems like depression and anxiety. Here are some consequences. Alcohol and cigarettes, and a lack of confidence. Anxiety, worrying about nothing. A state of despair, eating alone. And like this poor girl, poor self-restraint. And more symptoms include an increased phone addiction and self-isolation. Here's the solution for depression. The first steps would be go outside, put away your phone, and talk to people. For a severe case of depression, antidepressants, a psychiatrist, and counseling will definitely help. And here's some more ways to stay protected. Find activities you enjoy, like going for a walk. Talk to other people and develop positive relationships. Congrats! You can overcome your mobile phone addiction.